Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renata and in today's video, I'm very excited to bring to you this pattern review. I am really excited about this one because it's such a quick make. I think anyone can sew this up and it's just a fantastic transitional piece. So if you are interested and would like to know what pattern this is as well as the fabric that I use, please meet me in the next section. Okay, so this beautiful brown fabric has been in my stash for the last 4 months. It is such a beautiful fabric. I wasn't too sure about it, but when I felt it, it's such a beautiful fabric. It has such a really nice hand. I picked it up from Joann's, and if it's still available, I will leave a link to it down in the description area. Now, the pattern that I chose to work with is Simplicity 9385. I made up version B. As you can see, the version B is a shorter sleeve blouse with a cuff. The sleeves are pleated, so there's some really nice pleating details on this, as well as a banded hem. Now, version A does not have a banded hem, it's much longer. However, what I like about version A is the length of the cuff. I think that's a really nice silhouette, and I think that's the next one that I would like to make here really quick. Like I said in the beginning, this is such a quick make that you could probably sew up all 4 versions in one weekend if you had nothing to do but sew. So this one turned out really good and I just really love it. It's such a simple design. It's a very versatile pattern, like I said in my pattern haul video. It's just one that you can make in multiple colors, use with different fabrics, and it will go the mile for the season. You can make it in some black and wear some pencil skirt. You can make it in lace and wear something unique underneath that lace so it shows out and looks fabulous. You can also make it in some really cozy, cuddly fabrics that will keep you warm depending on the area in which you live. So this one gets 5 stars for me because the instructions were very well detailed, straightforward. There wasn't anything that I had to do to this. I didn't have to do any alterations. So one of the big concerns that I had was the sizing, and that was the only issue because I have not sewn a strictly simplicity pattern for years. I think it's been a few years now. I've sewn the mini G patterns and they are their simplicity as well, but I think the sizing is more curvy. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that is what it is. So cutting this one a size 12, I was a little worried just because it's a stretch fabric, it's knit, and I don't wear a size 12, but the measurements worked out right. So I think that's one thing we need to always remember is to stick with the measurements. Measure yourself every time you work on a new project, just in case something has changed. You just never know and you want to be sure, because if you're going to wear this relatively soon from when you actually sewed it, then you want to ensure that it will fit and it fits perfectly. So loving this sweater. I can't wait to make more. I keep wanting to say blouse, but it is a sweater. It's a really good one. I think it's a pattern that you should definitely consider if you're looking for that. Now the 360 I think turned out really good. I tried to style it slightly differently in the 2 shoots that I did, and I wanted to just show you guys how making the smallest change can totally change your outfit. So go ahead, sit back, enjoy the 360, and I'll meet you in the next section.
He was 16, holding her hand. They were wasting all the time they had. They were building big wonders. They knew as they wanted remain. As much as they needed, the world flies around me with you. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we can nurture each other. Find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. She was 15, spinning in a daydream, waiting, counting and wishing for that ship to sail them away. Can't you see it's coming, shining in the
There
distance?
you have it. What do you think about the overall look of this? I like how this looks because this fabric feels so good on my skin. The color is vibrant, and I have to say that I have washed this fabric and it still holds up. Remember, the link will be left in the description area. I think that my blue jeans just made this pop because of the stitching on it. Now, I love a good jeans that have amazing stitchings. I haven't made one in a while, and I'm really tempted to try it probably in spring, make another jeans. But for now, I really love how this look turned out. So the first one you saw, I was just, hanging out in a nice area where it had like these rustic look. It's just a rustic feel, and I kept the booties on because I thought that made it really stand out. I wish I had a nice hat, but I don't have a brown one, and the black one that I had could not be found, so I don't know where it is in my house. And actually my daughter has a black one similar to mine, but hers have like a band of brown on it, which would have matched nicely, and we couldn't find hers as well. So the hat thing was just thrown out the door. The second shot was just locally in our downtown. We have a lot of murals downtown, and I just saw that one and I thought it really looked nice. Now I wanted to wear a little more of a sophisticated look, so I popped on my really beautiful sandals. I love that sandal. It just elevates the look a bit more, just a nudge. It just nudges it up a little more. And the handbag was just amazing. It's one of my favorites. It's my newest. It was just a nice purchase, and I really love it. And I think that whole look changed the feel of this outfit, especially with sunglasses. Now that just takes your look up to another level, and I don't wear sunglasses a lot, but I thought for this one I would just change it up a little bit, and I think it turned out really good. So that is it, folks. I enjoyed making this project and sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions, any concerns, I am trying my best to answer them for you guys. Yes, this was a good week. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will meet you on another upload. Bye-bye.